Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume down button, tap on them together and hold it. Hold for 10 seconds, after that your device will be rebooted. You will feel the vibration then and see the logo. So this is the sign that you can remove fingers from buttons, and then just within a couple of seconds your device would be ready to use again. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.